Welcome to episode 81 of 100 Days of Data. I'm Jonas, an AI professor here to explore the foundations of data in AI with you.
And I, Amy, an AI consultant, excited to bring these concepts to life with stories and practical insights. Glad you're joining us.
The humans behind the machines. Today, we take a step back to reflect on the people who have shaped AI, the pioneers, and how their influences still ripple through the field.
Yeah, it's easy to get caught up in the tech and forget there's a whole community of thinkers, builders, and dreamers pulling the strings behind the scenes. This checkpoint is all about celebrating that human side.
Exactly. When we talk about AI and data, it's really a story about people. People who formulated ideas, challenged norms, and laid down the principles that machines now follow. Without that human spark, AI is just code.
And in the consulting world, I see that play out all the time. The companies that succeed with AI are the ones who really grasp the people behind the projects, the data scientists, the domain experts, the leaders who push for ethical use.
Let's take a moment to reflect on who these pioneers are. Early mathematicians like Alan Turing, who is often called the father of modern computing, laid foundational ideas about algorithms and machine intelligence. His famous question, "Can machines think?" still shapes AI discussions today.
Right. And then you have people like John McCarthy, who coined the term artificial intelligence in the 1950s and helped organize some of the first AI conferences. These weren't just scientists in isolation. They formed communities that exchanged ideas, building momentum.
These early efforts were exploratory, theoretical. Imagine them as explorers, charting unknown territory with just rough maps. Over time, their ideas evolved into frameworks for machine learning, neural networks, and beyond.
And fast forward to today, we benefit from their groundwork every time an AI system recommends a movie, detects fraud, or helps diagnose disease. But it's also the new pioneers, researchers, engineers, and consultants who translate theory into tools businesses can use.
There's also an important aspect to reflect on: influence. The influence of these pioneers doesn't just lie in their discoveries, but in how they inspired generations to carry the torch, adapt ideas, and consider the social implications of AI.
Speaking of social impact, I've worked on projects where understanding the human element, biases in data, ethical considerations, has been pivotal. It's not just about algorithms doing their job, but how those jobs affect people's lives.
That human element is critical. AI systems are built by people with values, assumptions, and limitations. Reflecting on who built the models and why helps us better understand potential flaws or blind spots.
One example comes to mind when a major healthcare provider used AI to prioritize patient care, but overlooked how the data was biased against certain groups. Recognizing the people who designed that system, questioning their assumptions, helped course-correct the approach.
This is why in AI education and practice, reflection is fundamental. Not just reflecting on data quality or model accuracy, but reflecting on the origins, choices, and context. Who is creating AI and with what intentions?
And in the business world, embracing that reflection pays dividends. Companies that bring diverse teams together, combining technical skills with domain knowledge and ethics, tend to build more trustworthy, effective AI systems.
Absolutely. It's a reminder that AI isn't magic. It's shaped by very real people. By honoring that, we empower ourselves to guide AI responsibly.
I love that. Sometimes I challenge clients who think AI is a silver bullet to instead see it as a tool crafted by humans for humans. And that means understanding the people on both sides, those creating it and those affected by it.
As we pause here at this checkpoint, it's helpful to recall the journey from the early days, pioneers grappling with philosophical questions, to now, when AI impacts everyday life and business decisions around the world.
And it's also a call to action. As you move forward with data and AI, remember the people, your teams, your partners, your customers. They're the reason AI matters in the first place.
To sum up, reflection on the history and human influences behind AI gives us perspective. It helps us appreciate the ideas, spot potential biases, and understand the ethical dimensions that technology alone can't solve.
And from a practical angle, thinking about the people behind AI encourages collaboration, diversity, and continuous learning, all crucial for real-world success with AI projects.
So here's the key takeaway from today. AI is not just algorithms and data, it's fundamentally shaped by people. Knowing where we came from helps us steer to where we want to go.
And my takeaway, never underestimate the power of the human factor, whether you're building AI or using it. The best AI starts with understanding people, both the creators and the impacted.
Next episode, we'll dive into a fascinating case study on Tesla, how data and AI drive innovation in the automotive world.
We'll explore how Tesla's approach combines data, AI models, and software updates to transform cars into evolving smart machines.
If you're enjoying this, please like or rate us 5 stars in your podcast app. We'd love to hear your comments or questions. Maybe we'll feature them in upcoming episodes.
Thanks for being part of this journey. Until tomorrow, stay curious, stay data-driven.